Sound Racer in a Hyundai Sonata V6 with the manual automatic transmission. Late model car. I think it's maybe a 2000, I don't know, 2008, I guess. It's got a good bit of quickness to it. It's a pretty nice car. Not that expensive. The sound system is pretty decent too. But with the Sound Racer, you can enjoy more than a V6 sound. You can enjoy a nice V8 lope, and if you really get on it, you can enjoy some. Just hold on a second. Wait till we're going downhill here. I don't really want. Actually, you'll notice that I'm off the gas and it notices I'm coasting. That's kind of cool. But let me stop right here. I'll start from a standstill here. There we go. Ready? Let's see. Focus. Come on, focus. I know that it sounds kind of like a video game, but on the internet, it sounds kind of like, oh, that sounds like a video game. I know some of you are going to say that. They're thinking of typing it right now, but give it a chance. If you've got an iPod or an MP3 player, you won't believe how much fun this is. If you have a standard exhaust and you're just even waiting on your custom exhaust. It's worth it. It's worth the money just as a good regular old digital tuner. Has a line out to your iPod or MP3 player and the added bonus of fun. Let's check it out one more time. This will be my last run here. I'll stand still.